It's good to see you again. We are now going to be practicing a new strategy for subtraction. You can see the word subtract there and the word subtract. This one has kind of got a cool name, an interesting name. Subtract to 10, subtract again. Now the reason it's called this is because we do two little subtractions here to help us out. And again, we're going to use that friendly 10 when we're subtracting to help us. And I'm going to show you what I mean. I have some examples here. Now sometimes when we're subtracting numbers, it gets a little bit tricky when we have to take away from a kind of a bigger number. One of the ones that is one of the teen numbers. There's a 10 and then another number. And then we're taking away a number here. You can see that I have my 10 frames ready to help me. 10 here because the 10 frame is full, 5 and 5. And I'm going to put 17 because that's how many I have to begin with. I have 17. Now it says I need to take away 9. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to split my numbers because I need to look for the 10s. I'm going to look for friendly numbers again. Now you might see that I have a 17, and I know a 17 is a 10 and a 7. And I also know that a 9 is a 2 and a 7. So I have split my numbers up here to help me out. Because I know if I have 17 take away 9, if I first take away 7, if I take away this 7, I'll only have a 10 left. I've taken away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I've taken away all the ones. Look at that. And now I have 10 left, and 10 is kind of my favorite number to deal with because it's really easy. So I took away the 7, and instead of 9 left now, I have 2. So I have 10 take away 2, which is way easier for me to figure out because I just take away 2, and we know that I have 8 left. So 17 take away 9 is 8. And I did that by using my friendly 10s, by subtracting to 10. First I got to 10, and then I subtracted the last 2 away from 10, and I got to 8. Now let's try again. Let's try another one to see if it works again. I'm going to use my friendly, my 10 frames, friendly 10 frames to help me out this time. I know that's 10 because the 10 frame is full up. And then this time I'm going to add 5 more because this 1, of course, means 10. And this 5 means 5 ones. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. I could also do it like that. There we go. That's 5. Could be 3 and 2. Could be 5 and 0. It's still 5. Or it could also be 4 and 1. So there we are. I have 15, take away 7. Now I want to take away these 5 so I can get to 10. So I'm going to split my 7 into a 5 and what other number? 5, 6, 7. Yes. I'm going to make it into a 2 and a 5. So I have split my 7 into a 2 and a 5. My 15 is into a 10 and a 5. 10 and a 5, 15. So I'm going to take out the 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I subtracted to 10. So I have 10 left. And look, I need to take away just 2 more from the 7. 2. Take them away. I have 8 left again. So 15 take away 7 is 8. And I think we can probably try one more. This time, I'm going to subtract to 10, subtract again. 10 here, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 14. 10 and 4 is 14, because I know that this 1 really means 10. This 4 really means 4. And now I need to split this into something. I need to split my 8 into something that means I can get to 10. Yep, you got it. I'm going to split it into a 4 and a 4. So I'm going to take away the first 4. They're gone. I subtracted to 10. I took away the 4. And you know that I have 10 left over here because I took away this 4. Now I have 10 left and I have to take away the other 4. 10 take away 4, of course, is 6. So 14 take away 8 is 6. Now it's your turn. Try some out. Try using this strategy. I'm going to write a few down for you to try it. Just for fun, see what happens. Use this strategy. Subtract to 10, subtract again. Split the numbers, find the 10s, find the numbers that are really going to help you make those connections and take away the numbers. And if you can as well, you could probably use your 10 frames like I did, draw them out, or use the ones we sent home, and then try it out, see how it feels to use this strategy for subtracting. Have fun, we'll talk to you soon.